Hello everyone, this is 141 Shoots to Kill, and I'm going to do a gun review. And just to let you know, this channel is run by 4 people, and right now this is Julian. Here is the UHC M9. And I got this gun a few days ago at a store, and the store is called Airsoft and More. Here it is. When I got this, I was really surprised by how heavy it was. This is like a really heavy gun. So take the safety cap off. Here's the mag. Only comes with one, like normal pistols. This is 260 FPS. I do suggest you get this. This is really good. It does come with these extra bullets, or BBs, but at the store I already got my own. See, the iron sights are really good, just like the normal gun, or the regular M9, and it's like an exact replica, because I've actually seen the real one. Like, I actually held it and shot it before in a shooting range. Yeah. And, oh, this is spring, not gas. And, like I said, 260 FPS. I got it in Airsoft and More. Oh, yeah. It does come with instructions of how to use it. And a warranty. Alright, that's it.